Well, dear students, 9th standard, Jesse English High School. Today, 24th October 2020, and our lesson already going on, Upagupta, Rabindranath Tagore. So here, dear student, understand the poem, page 26. Understand the poem. You see, I have written in this way. Tomorrow Sunday, you have to do all the works, reading activities, writing task 2. See, read and recite. I have already recited the whole poem, Upagupta, plus 2 days in front of you through explanation. So you will recite, you will read in such a way with correct English pronunciation. Next one, understand the poem, activities. C1, C2, C3, C4. Already you have got it in attachment. Now writing task in the notebook you will fulfill. So, come to the point. C1, page 26. Get ready with your textbook and obviously notebook in attachment, question answers and all you will get it. Write neatly like your English teacher, and then I want to see homework activities are going to submit to me Tuesday onwards. Be very serious about your education. So C1, page 26. Please open your textbook, C1, page 26. Dark gloomy sky. Already have got this very quote in your poem Upagupta. That one, the murky sky. Ornamental chain worn around the ankle of a lady. There is a tinkling sound is coming from the leg. So that one, those tinkling with anklets. A religious person who leads a simple and strict life. SKT, that is the saint. At an appropriate time. The time is right. Flashes of lightning. Black night showed its teeth. Roadside, the dusty earth. Fort-like structure, rampart. Made slightly wet, that is moistened. Page 27, C2. The important signposts of the poem are given in the box. Fill in the flowchart in the order in which the incidents occur. You will get in attachment, you don't need to worry. Already I sent you. You will keep on reading, study and write in the notebook the task for your practice. Number 1. Upagupta asleep on the dusty ground of Mathura. Number 2, flowchart going on as per sequence and consequences, as per circumstances. 9th standard group, be very serious. Number 2, the dancing girl invites him to her home. Number 3, he promised to visit her when the time is right. Number 4, the woman, W-O-M-A-N, O-man, W-O, plural, M-E-N, women, pronunciation, women, W-O-M-E-N, pronunciation, women, W-O, singular noun, W-O-M-A-N, only one person, one lady, oh man. More than one, plural noun, plural, more than one indication, W-O-M-E-N, pronunciation, correct one in English, women. So, correct your pronunciation also because you will speak correct English when you are my students. Next, number 4, the woman driving away from the town. Number 5, Upagupta keeps his promise. C3, page 26. Simplicity, sleeping on the dusty earth. Page 27, textbook. Simplicity, sleeping on the dusty earth. Merciful, you will see page 25. Merciful and page 25. Find out and moisten her lips, last paragraph, with water and smeared her body with sandal balm. When this one, next one, see, forgiving, page 25. The aesthetic, that is your line number 31-32, page 25, line number 31-32. The aesthetic sat by her side, took her head on his knees. Young and attractive, page 24. Page 24. Line you find out. She, line number 11-12. She lowered her lamp and saw the young face, austerely beautiful. Next, be true to his words. Page 25. Page 25. The time. Last paragraph. Line number 35-36. The time at last has come to visit you, and I'm here, replied the young ascetic. C4, test. Page 27, textbook. 9th group, get ready. Complete the summary. Upagupta, a disciple of Buddha, goes from one place to another. Once, while he is sleeping in a small town called Mathura, a dancing girl wakes him up and invites him to her home. That's all. Shortly coming back. Thank you.